feels cold and dry. You lift my spirit to the sky. Every heartbeat finds its way as I pray. Gentle footsteps in the light. You walk with me through every night. Every worry fades away as you stay. Your presence calls my name, ignites a holy flame. Every fear is gone by your dawn. Garden of glory, soft and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Garden of glory, calm and pure. In your love I feel secure. Lead me where you stand, held within your hand. Every shadow in my soul loses hope. In the quiet of the dawn, your holy whisper lingers on. Every fear that once held tight meets your light. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decreased by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make held for heaven's sake. When my soul grows tired and worn, your gentle love begins to form. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You revive the heart within. You break the chains of fear and sin. Every broken part restored by my Lord. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decrease by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make held for heaven's sake. Let your presence stay. Guide me every day. Hold me when I'm weak. Hear me speak. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make held for heaven's sake. Whispers of glory, follow me. Whispers of glory. gentle voice is what I seek. Every moment, every sigh, you are nigh. Through the silence of the night, your presence brings a holy light. Every burden starts to fall at your call. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace, so soft and true, fill my soul and make it new. Let your kindness overflow, let it grow. Breath of grace, you lift me high, hold me close and sanctify every step I take. By your love I wait. In the morning's quiet air, I feel your mercy everywhere. Every shadow fades away as I pray. You revive what's lost inside, your healing waters gently guide. Every wound begins to mend in your hand. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace, so soft and true, fill my soul and make it new. Let your kindness overflow, let it grow. Breath of grace, you lift me high, hold me close and sanctify every step I take. By your love I wait. Let your presence flow everywhere I go. You're my resting place. Breath of grace. Every burden I once knew falls from view. Your presence lifts my soul, makes every broken whole. All my fears undone by your Son. Heart of heaven, warm and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I find in you feels brand new. Heart of heaven, calm and true, let my spirit rest in you. Hold me through the night, shine your perfect light. When my hope is wearing thin, your gentle mercy draws me in. Every tear I couldn't hide dries inside. You remind me who I am, a child held in the great I am. Every weakness you replace with your grace. Your presence lifts my soul, makes every broken whole. All my fears undone by your Son. Heart of heaven, warm and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I find in you feels brand new. Heart of heaven, calm and true, let my spirit rest in you. Hold me through the night, shine your perfect light. Lead me where you stay, guide me every day. Hold me close and near, calm my fear. Heart of heaven, warm and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I find in you feels brand new. Heart of heaven, calm and true, let my spirit rest in you. Hold me through the night, shine your perfect light. Heart of heaven, draw me near. Heart of heaven. When the night surrounds my soul, you speak a truth that makes me whole. Every shadow melts away as you stay. In the silence, soft and pure, your holy presence reassures. Every trembling fear I hold turns to gold. Peace surrounds me like a child. Every fear begins to fade as you stay. You restore the tired mind and breathe your hope through every line. Every wound begins to heal. You are real. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright. Fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep. Guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your hand. Let your presence stay. Guide me day by day. Hold me close and true. I belong to you. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright. Fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep. Guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your Whisper of holiness, follow me. Whisper of holiness. Light of heaven, shine on me. When the night is cold and long, your quiet presence keeps me strong. Every shadow fades from sight in your light. Gentle whispers fill the air. I feel your love already there. Every heartbeat starts to rise, sanctified. Your glory breaks the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. All my doubts undone by your Son. Light of heaven, pure and heaven, shine on me, light of heaven. Fountain of peace, flow through me. When my heart is lost at sea, your gentle presence rescues me. Every world but fear disappear. Through the stillness of the dawn, your healing river peace on. Carry cities with songs of the divine. Your peace surrounds my soul, restores what dark has stolen. Every tear released in your peace. Fountain of peace, so soft and bright, fill my heart with holy light. Every drop that reaches me sets me free. Fountain of peace, deep and clear, wash away my every fear. In your love I stand, safe within your In the quiet of your grace, you calm the storms I cannot face. Every whisper that you speak makes me weak. You restore my weary mind. Your flowing mercy redefines. Every wound begins to fade as you stay. Your peace surrounds my soul, restores what dark has stolen. Every tear released in your peace. Fountain of peace, so soft and bright, fill my heart with holy light. Every drop that reaches me sets me free. Fountain of peace, deep and clear, wash away my every fear. In your love I stand, safe within your hand. Let your waters rise, healing where I lie. Guide my every breath, life from death. Fountain of peace, so soft and bright, fill my heart with holy light. Every drop that reaches me sets me free. Your gentle love remains so strong. Every doubt that fills my mind falls behind. In the quiet of your grace, I feel your warmth in every place. Every fear begins to fade, unafraid. My strength is wearing thin. Your healing presence pulls me in. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You restore my weary heart, breathing life in every part. Every burden that I bear, you before my eyes, guide me every day, show the way. Holy light, every moment held in wings of mercy. Waves of glory fall on me as the morning finds my soul. Your gentle presence makes me whole. Every whisper, soft and clear, says I'm here. Through the silence of the sky, your holy love begins to rise. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts release in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you waves of glory fall on me. Waves